In this video, I will show you a simple scalping strategy to make $50 to $100 per day. First, you need to create an account where you can trade derivatives. You can use the popular Bybit exchange to do that, or you can use Bitflex if you can't use Bybit in your country. For this demo, we will use Bitflex. If you don't have an account on one of these platforms already, you can get a special sign-up bonus if you use my Bybit or Bitflex affiliate links in the description below. You first need to deposit money into your account. In Bitflex, click on the Assets button and then on Deposit. Choose the coin you want to deposit, select the right network, copy the deposit address to send your tokens to and confirm the details. After you've deposited your funds, you need to transfer your crypto from your spot wallet to your derivatives wallet, and then you can go to the trading layout and open a position. Let me first show you how to enter a trade. Click on Derivatives at the top of the menu bar, and you will see the BTC USDT chart. Go to the panel on the right, choose your order type from limit, market, or conditional, and choose your leverage. You can get up to 100x on Bitflex, but if you are a beginner, I recommend no more than 10x leverage. Set your price and order value, and confirm your order by clicking on the Open Long or Open Short button. Once your order is filled, you can view the details under the Positions tab. That's how you open a position. Check out the Bitflex video tutorial on my channel if you need more info about margin and derivatives trading. Okay, now we will move to TradingView, where I will show you the short-term scalping strategy to make money from small price movements on the 1-minute time frame. I have a TradingView affiliate link below that you can use to get a discount on the pro version, but it's okay to use the free version for this strategy. Select the Bitcoin USDT trading pair and set the chart to the 1-minute time frame. When done, open the Indicators tab, type in Linear Regression Candles, and select the one from the user with the name Ugurvu. Open the indicator settings, click Input and change the signal smoothing to 7. Next, click on Style and increase the thickness of the plot line, and when done, click here to hide the regular candles. Now go back to the Indicators tab, type in UTBot Alerts, and select the one from Quant Nomad. In the settings, change the key value to 2, and the ATR to 11. This indicator will be your entry confirmation and is very simple to use. When it gives a buy signal, you open a long position, and when it gives a sell signal, you open a short position. To enter a long position, you need the UTBot alert indicator to issue a buy signal. The second condition is to have a green candle closed above the white line. Set the stop loss below the white line and wait for a linear regression candle that closes red to exit your position. To enter a short position, you'll do the opposite. Wait until a red candle closes below the white line, and the UTBot alerts gives a sell signal. Set your stop loss above the white line and exit your position when the first candle closes green again. If you have a question about this video, or want to tell us about your favorite TradingView indicator, feel free to drop it below in the comments. Remember that none of the information in this video is financial advice. I only show you what I do. Always do your own research and never listen to other people when it comes to making financial investments. If you found some value in this video, please hit the like button below and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to also hit the notification bell to be the first to get an update when I post a new video. Have a wonderful day, and stay safe.